Your lakefront room. Very nice.
Yes.
That's the one. Alright. In your key packet, you'll find your Wi-Fi password and your checkout time, which since you're an Expedia VIP will be 1 p.m.
Yeah, those bikes, you just have to sign a waiver for us. We got locks and helmets that we can provide for you. There's a couple places that you guys can bike around at.
This is awesome.
We got a shuttle service, so we got a big van that does valet guys around. You guys want to ride into town, like the casinos, the Heavenly Village? Yeah, where a lot of the shopping and the dining is at. Just let us know. We'll bring you guys up there and pick you guys up later on. We're in until midnight tonight, so up until I'm here. It's ran from 7 a.m. to midnight tonight, and then every other night we run until 11.
Okay.
So you do it all, huh?
Oh yeah, man, we do it. California style cuisine, a little bit of a Mediterranean twist on all the dishes. They do breakfast, lunch, and dinner. They're open from 7 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. So they're located right over here. Bar should still be open right now. Full-size bar, great wine selection. Outdoor seating with fire pits. That should be open up here in a little bit.
Oh, this is the one.
Yeah. Hey, Chelsea.
How you doing? Good.
Yeah. And then the beach is just right out here, so great view of the lake and everything.
That's the beach right.
Hey. What do we got here?
This is our room for the next couple of days.
I don't know where to start.
Well, let's start in the best part. Let me just start by telling you, so I really wanted to stay at this hotel after we researched it, and I looked at, you'll find out the amenities that the bathroom alone has. And then the room is just, it's just so relaxing. So we're gonna go in the bathroom first.
Well, first of all, what we got here?
First of all, I will step out. So heated floors.
Heated floors. Sink area. What is this?
This is the amazing toilet with a heated seat.
Heated seat.
A nightlight for Mark. You know, boys can't aim. Complimentary robes. Ooh, they're soft. Stand-up shower with the seat. This is amazing when you want to relax. Waterfall shower head.
I didn't see that.
So you can get really clean, really relaxed.
Oh man, that's so cool.
If you stay here, this is where you adjust the settings for the heated floor. So we're gonna go ahead and turn that on because that's where we're going tonight.
Yes.
Get my free glass of champagne.
And we got a free bottle too.
Yeah. So we'll get into that. When we walk in, 2 glasses for us.
It says our name.
Yes. In here, a chilled complimentary bottle.
Yeah.
Might not drink that tonight. It's still pretty early. Everything here is complimentary: water, tea, coffee, a Keurig. Here's one of the best spots: the fireplace. This stays on an hour timer, so we can go to sleep with it. We can leave the room with it. It'll be okay. It'll turn off in an hour, so we plan on using that. Look at the bed. Have you seen a headboard like this?
Oh man.
And it's comfy. So if we need more pillows or blankets or anything, he said stop out the front and they'll be able to supply it.
We just drove from San Francisco all the way.
In the snow, in the sleet.
Snow. It snowed. And then 10, 15 miles out, it stopped. It's still a little chilly. But we drove about 4 hours, a little over 4 hours from San Francisco. We are very tired. Yeah. We flew to Oakland, as you all saw, toured San Francisco, then drove here. So it's been a very long day, and we're ready to close this bad boy out. You know?
All right. So we're going to call it a night, guys. Until tomorrow. Bye.
See you later.